Hi everybody. So yeah, today I was walking home from the park after walking Cody at night, yes. And I ended up finding a duck. As you can see, he is injured because he just sits down. And he's tried to fly already 3 times. And he sort of allowed me to pick him up. Because like he would allow my hand to get super close to him. Like, he probably won't now because I've picked him up. Yeah, there's my hand, and there's the duck. See? He allows me to get super close to him, but see how he's walking? Yes, I know. You don't like this, I know. And then he sits back down again. What? See, that's him. I don't know if it's him or her. But, yeah, he's just gonna be here in my backyard where I normally have my rabbits, but it's nighttime, so they're inside. And in my backyard, we have got barely any animals at all that would be getting into here. Nothing that would possibly injure the duck, so he's safer here. And I can't put him in a cage or anything because Tiffany's in one cage with the new batch of 6 baby bunnies. And Peter's in his cage, and the 8 baby bunnies are in their cage. So yeah, he's just gonna be in this garden, in the backyard, outside, where he's gonna be way safer than if he was out in the park. And it's only about maybe, I don't know, something like 50 meters or something that way, the park. See, it's not that far away. So if he's not here in the morning, it means he would have flown away. I mean, so yeah, he's safe here for now. Yeah, he's safe here for now. He'll be staying here overnight. And if he's gone in the morning, I'll just tell you guys if he is or not. But if he's here tomorrow morning, then we're gonna have to check if something's wrong with him, and possibly feed him something. I'll probably go get him some bread now, so that you guys can like see him eat maybe. Alright, so I just got some bread. It's half a loaf of bread at the moment. As you can see, he's irritated because I picked him up. But, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Go on then. Go on then. Yeah, you can eat it. Yeah. Yeah. There you go. Wait, was it seriously like that when I was giving it to him? Oh my god. When I'm doing something, I just don't focus on the camera, do I? But yeah, there's some food for if he wants to eat some food overnight or something. You see, if I walk a little bit closer, you see him opening his mouth every time. No, I probably won't move you because you're by the bread. But yeah, we'll see how you go overnight. You should be fine. Easy to escape. But I'll see you in the morning. So yeah, I was about to walk inside and it grabbed a piece of the food, so it's already eaten something. Clearly it was hungry. He just ate another piece of bread, but we think he may have been hit because where we found him was like right by a main area of people driving, and by the way, he's limping and stuff when he walks, and how he fluffs his wing like that. It seems as if he has been hit. So hopefully he's fine, and hopefully he can be alive tomorrow. Alright, so just because we have actually got a lot of cats in the neighborhood, we decided to put him in the cage. He's sitting there nicely at the moment. We've got a big basket of water and his bread over there. He's decided to go further back. He's nicely seated in there. But just by closing that, we protect him from any hurt or injuries that he may receive overnight. Cody's obviously interested in him, as always. I mean, who wouldn't be? But yeah, so he's going to be safe in there for the night, and we'll see how he is in the morning. Of course, he didn't exactly like being put in there because it's dark and stuff. But he's safe. And now, for real this time, I'll see you guys in the morning with an update on how he's going. Hello, everybody. It is morning time, and I will be checking on the duck today. What? He's not in there. Okay. Has he gone in here maybe? Oh, there he is. Hello there. Are you alright now? Yeah? Come on then. Come on then. Yep, he goes through the little gap that's accessible. I was just about to say, where did he go? Look at you, hey? You're still not good, eh? Because you're not flying or anything. Much better. Yeah. Looking a lot better. You can be out here today, okay? I mean, oh, nice. Yummy. I mean, today, all that I'm really going to be doing is, putting all the baby bunnies outside. They won't be a nuisance to you, okay? Because they're baby bunnies. I mean, if I put Peter out here, he would probably be more of a nuisance to you. Or Tiffany, maybe. Yeah, it looks like you're still healing. Don't worry, I won't bother you. But it looks like you got a lot more energy than you did last night. Because it seems you're walking a lot more. Because last night you would just be like, oh, I can lie down here. I'll lie down here then. Hey?
So the baby bunnies are outside, and he's gone. It was literally like 2 minutes. I've checked in the cage, checked behind here, checked under the shell. What I was going to do is I was going to flip that shell upside down, fill it up with some water for a bit of a paddling pool for him or her, if the duck wanted to. But he's gone. So obviously, while I simply just grabbed the baby bunnies to take them outside, he decided he was gonna leave. I don't know where he left to. Checked over the fence, not there. Checked over that fence, not there either. Over here, no. Here, no. But it seems he's gotten strong enough to be able to fly away, unlike yesterday. And hopefully he has made it back home safe. But anyways, I guess it's sort of a rescue because he wouldn't have made it outside in the dark, out in the open as much as he was. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.